Hey guys, what is up? Today I will show you guys how to download and install Pycharm IDE. We're going to need Pycharm for the entire development process of the bot. The first thing you guys will need to do is go to this link, and I will have it pasted in the description of this video. Then go over to the community edition and click download. Okay, after it's finished downloading, click on the installer. The installation process is pretty basic, just click next. You can install it anywhere on your computer and hit next. Now this is very important, make sure you check this box. This will allow Pycharm to find your Python version on your computer and use it. Then click next and hit install. While we wait for this to install, if you want to receive a free stock, go into the description of this video and click the link to create a free Robinhood account. We will be using Robinhood for the trading bot anyway, so it's a win-win. After it is finished installing, hit reboot now and click finish. For our bot, we will be using Python 3.8. So go to this website, and I will have a link of this in the description of the video. Scroll down and click on the Windows x86 executable installer. After the download is complete, click on the installer. Click run. This is very important. Make sure you add Python 3.8 to the path. If you skip this step, Python will not work properly. And hit install now. Click disable path limit. Then click close. Okay, now hit the Windows key and type in Pycharm. Select Pycharm and hit enter. Click I confirm and continue. I don't like to send anonymous statistics. Pick your theme, I like dark theme, and hit skip remaining and set defaults. After Pycharm is installed, let's try to create a new project to make sure everything is working. You should see your Python version inside of the base interpreter. Because we allowed Pycharm to look at the path and we added Python to the path, it automatically fills in Python 3.8 inside of the base interpreter row. Okay, now hit create. Your virtual environment will take a little while to initialize, but that's completely okay. After it's finished initializing and indexing Python, click the play button on the top right to make sure everything's working. If the console opens up and you see Hi Pycharm, then you have successfully installed Pycharm and Python. Congratulations. Your next step will be to go into the description of this video and click on the Robinhood link to receive a free stock and create a free Robinhood account. This will also be needed for the next video. I'll see you guys in the next one.